Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul. In this video, we are going to discuss about the name error and how we can handle name error in Python. So let's understand what exactly is a name error first. So a name error in Python occurs when we try to use a variable or function name that has not been defined yet. It's like trying to refer to a person in a conversation who is not there and nobody knows who you are talking about. This can happen if you forget to define a variable, or you have misspelled the variable name, or you are trying to use a variable outside its scope. So let's take an example. Imagine that you have a list of friends and you want to send a message to me, let's say Atul, but you have not added Atul to your contact list yet, and you are trying to access Atul in your contact list. That will lead you to a confusion. Similarly, in Python, if you try to use a variable atul without defining it first, you will get a name error. And to handle this, you can use exception handling to catch the name error and take appropriate actions such as defining a default value or notifying the user that you have not declared that variable. So let's take a very practical example saying that I'm supposed to print a message when something happens, okay? So you have a block of code, and that block of code has been running successfully, and in the end you are supposed to print a message saying that the code has completed. Okay, but somewhere in the code you missed defining that message variable and putting the string over here saying that the code has completed, and you are trying to print that message. Okay, so let's say if I say print message and if I run it, you can see that we are having the name error. And why we are having this? Because we have not declared message a variable and given the value to that variable. In order to handle these kind of error, we can simply put it into the try block, and then we can give an except block saying that there can be the name error, and I want to print saying that hey Atul, variable message has not been, or variable message is not defined yet. Please define the variable before using it. Now if I run it, I got this message saying that hey Yatul, variable message is not defined yet. Please define the variable before using it. So what's happening in this code? Python tries to print the variable message, but if message has not been defined, it raises a name error. The except block catches that error and prints a helpful message indicating the problem. This approach ensures the program continues without crashing. So this is how basically you can use the exception handling with the name error. Happy learning and see you in the next video.